Okay, so apparently Nathan over here turned into... Dang it. I had a line for a second, but I lost it. Okay, so I'm on with Nathan again, and there's a reason for that. He sent me another box, and I actually have absolutely no idea. I only know that one of the things in here, but the box, I don't get it. Nathan just shoves whatever he sees in a little box like this. This thing is not. This thing is about the size of my Epco elevator call station I got for my birthday.
But trust me, it's able to fit 5 things.
Yeah, 5 things are in it. From what I know, it's 3 smoke alarms and 2 fire alarms. Spoiler alert. So, anyways, let's go ahead and open this up. And Nathan, he sent me, so now he sent me a total of,
16.
Yeah, 16 items. No, 17, I think. So anyway,
17.
He told me specifically to open it from where this R is. So we'll just open this if we can. Okay, I got it fully opened. Now, I'm honestly excited to see what's in here, because if he sent me something rare, and there's a few things in here that, there's a few alarms in this collection that are pretty rare. There's one of them that I think he sent me, but I will find out if that's actually true. So, anyways, we'll go ahead and get started with opening up this box.
Oh, wait, no.
Wait, we need some good music for it too. What should we put on?
I don't know. But I will say this. 3 smoke alarms, 2 fire alarms, and 1 thing that's a little extra.
Oh, okay, got it. I hope it's a G6
I just never
harness.
mentioned it because I
Okay. Anyways, what was I saying? We need some good music for this unboxing. What should I put up? Actually, no. I have a better idea.
Is it Tinix?
I think Tinix is copyrighted, so,
Believix.
Believix is also copyrighted.
Huh.
Okay, speaking of Tinix, fine. There you go. So, anyways, let's open this up. Let's see. Bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap.
And what we get is... This is the first thing I'm looking at right now. So... I am actually surprised you sent me this. This is a Mastercraft smoke alarm 46S0081-8. And I'm pretty sure this is the one that he got at his antique shop, and I guess he didn't have the proper stuff to test this, so he just sent one over to me. I guess he didn't really want this one since he had the Daikon one. I guess he sent me this because he just I don't know if he cared for it. I guess he did, but you just have the Daikon one, so you don't really want this one, I guess. I don't know. But nonetheless, this is a Mastercraft smoke alarm, and it's actually really cool. It's like those Daikon ones, same size as the others. So I'll just leave this over here. So anyways, the next one we got is this. It is a 7016 BTCA. It's actually a 7010B base unit, but it's actually the same. And then the last smoke alarm. Actually, I don't know. I don't know what this is.
With the box, but don't get it yet.
Okay.
Save that for last. There's a box at the bottom of the box. Save that for last.
Okay, so we'll just get to this right here. So this one right here is actually a fire alarm remote strobe. I am actually really glad to finally get some fire alarm stuff now. This came right from Nathan's collection. It is a Wheelock. Not sure the model number, but yeah, it's a remote strobe. Yeah, I know, there's a sticker. I can't really see it.
The model is like WST something.
WST 29? I don't know. 2019. Indigo 23 would know this. So, yeah, this is the fire alarm. And the, oh, and here's the thing extra. You actually sent me a G6 harness. I am really happy about this. Because I don't have any G6. I actually don't have any G6 harnesses in my collection yet. And I'm finally able to hook up my 6040 and my G6 and whatever the other alarms. Even my Jameson, if that matters, but I don't even have the base for that yet. So, yeah, I finally have a G6 harness. So, yeah.
The remote strobe is the remote strobe version of the 7002T.
Oh, yeah, that's right. So, yeah, this is a, I think it's actually, from what I remember you saying, it's actually pretty rare. So, anyways, this is what I'm really excited for. This thing right here. And it's in a Optimum bag or something like that. I don't know. It's interesting. This right here is a Simplex T-bar, but there's a catch. It's conventional, and I'm really happy about it. I finally have a T-bar that I could actually wire up, because the one I have currently is addressable, I believe. So I have my. He didn't send me a B key because I have a B key. Here it is right here. It's with all my other keys, my Dover elevator keys, my MS2, whatever, monitor TR. So yeah. Actually, let's pull it first. There you go. Open it up. It's got a button. The model of it is a 2999754. And there you go. That's the T-bar. Put my keys back up. So you say save that one box. Save that one box for last.
Yep.
Oh my god. My key thing is gonna fall. Oh yes. It came off. Are you kidding me? This hook lasted for like... That hook lasted for like 2 years. Anyways, we'll get the firearm stuff out of the way. We'll go ahead and open up the 7016 BS, whatever, BTCA. So it's just a 7010B basically, but Canadian. There's the harness. Not gonna spend too much time on this one. There's the wire things, manual, and I somehow perfectly placed Montgomery Ward, and now I have to edit. Okay. Dust cover and Abby, and the alarm itself is really complicated. I've been noticing. Look at it, has like a lot of stickers in it on a lot of this thing. Replaced by 2028. So yeah, I'm not gonna test this right now because for obvious reasons. But I basically have two 7010Bs now, and Abby's having a blast right now. Just throw the manual over there. Now we'll open up the Montgomery wards. So, I mean not Montgomery ward, the Mastercraft. Excuse me. There we go. There we go. Yeah, this is a Dicon 300 based unit, I believe, from what I remember. Abby's having a time of her life. We'll go ahead and look inside of it. Here you go. So you got that sensor. It looked a lot bigger in SCR Safety's video. Of course, it goes on like that. The battery goes in there. This was found, again, this was found in an antique shop near Nathan, I believe.
Yeah, it's about, the antique shop was about, it was kind of close. But it's a bit of a drive, though.
So, yeah, this thing is cool to add on to my vintage alarm collection. Finally, I'm glad I'm still growing it. Abby, get out of the shot. And now, this box right here, we're about to find out what's in this box. So apparently, is this like the rarest or something?
Yes, that's the rarest thing that I've sent you so far.
It's very light. I'm surprised it's very light. Oh well. So, let's see. It's the rarest thing Nathan sent me. You ready to see it? 3, 2. Ready to see what it is?
Yep.
Ta-da! Ta-da! Look at that! It's a Family Guard FG1000, and it's Canadian too.
Yep.
FG1000 CLA. This came right from Nathan's grandmother, I think.
Yes, it came from my grandma's house.
Yeah, Grandma's house. This is the rarest thing in Nathan's collection for quite some time, and I'm so happy to finally have one of these. This was quite a surprise that I was not expecting. So I have the Wake and Warn model, which I actually want to compare so badly right now, but it's like shoved in a box like a billion feet deep inside, so I can't get it right now. But this is basically the Escape Light version of that. So I have the AAA. So adding to my Family Guard collection, now that I think about it, I have the AAA, $2.50, the 1000 now. Now, obviously the ones I don't have are the 777, the 83R. That's the one that Ethan has. I'm pretty sure Nathan has one too.
Yeah, I got the 83R.
Yeah. And I'm probably sure that because he sent me this, because he had his new rarest alarm in his collection, which is the G8. Oh my god, I didn't even think about it. What happened to your G18? Can you hook it up now? Because he sent me the G6 harness.
Yeah, I'm getting one off of eBay.
Oh, okay. Okay, so you're just getting a new harness. So this is actually from Nathan's G18, which is his new rarest alarm in his collection. Accidentally, if you remember, he did like a new/old alarm unboxing. So yeah, that is actually really interesting. So I'm pretty sure the reason why he put it in this box because the actual alarm did not come with the box, since it like came right from his grandma's or something. So
yeah, I put that in there so it kind of get like a little suspenseful when opening up the box.
yeah, I did that for a reason, suspenseful.
Yeah.
I'm trying to find something else that's really suspenseful. What's also really
Your birthday special, the first one that you uploaded, when you thought that you were getting the P4010, but then you got the Nest Protect.
Indeed, that was a surprise back then. Now I'm over here getting FG1000s and Daikon 300 based units that are making it super rare at this point. So this unboxing was actually probably one of the rarest things that I've ever done, like multiples. The T-bar itself is not rare, but I'm very happy to have one of these now. The remote strobe of the 7002T, this is metal. Yeah, this is also actually, I think this is also pretty rare. I don't know.
Yeah,
I guess it's uncommon. I don't know. I haven't really seen these around the field, but yeah. This thing is pretty rare though. Probably the second rarest. This thing is probably common. The 7010BA, whatever, 7060 BTCA. Although the actual model number is 7010BA for some reason. I don't know why it's labeled differently on the box. So, yeah, there's that. And then, of course, the FG1000. This was in Nathan's collection for a long time.
Yeah.
So,
I was debating on sending you that or the SA150LT, but then I realized that you already had that, so I said that.
yeah, technically I already had one of those. But this is nice to add on to my Family Guard collection and my Escape Light alarm collection, which I have to do a collection update with my Escape Light alarms, because I'll probably have to do that instead of like showing all my 140 alarms I have in my collection about. So whatever it is, it's very nice to add one of these to my collection. So this was quite an unboxing. So yeah, oh yeah, and plus the G6 harness, which I'm happy about too. So I'm mostly happy about the T-bar, the 1000, and the G6 harness, because these I've been looking for since I got my Jameson. So yeah, I really have no words for this. Thank you so much for this monstrosity of rare stuff in this box. And I also forgot a manual.
Please see manual.
So, yeah. I want to read that note again. Oh, and yes, about that note, the FADCQ, yes, I plan to send him that. I just still never got the chance to do it. I'll probably do it over the summer vacation or something like that. I don't know. It changes all the time since I get mixed up with plans. I finally found the bag, though, so I could send it sooner. So, yeah. I am definitely using this for my next wall system test video. I'm also hooking this up along with the Wheelock AS. Well, actually, let me just show these off better. Let me just put it on.
You can use the AS and then the
Yeah, I'm using.
and then the
Oh wait,
T-bar.
hold on. Can I hook up my remote strobe on my wall? Because is it able to be mounted on there? I might have to use this on the wall, like right above the pole station, since this has the screws on the outside. That's probably what I'm gonna have to do. But nonetheless, Sabby is being very happy right now. This will probably be included in my next one of my future system tests for my my smoke alarm demo board. This will be hooked up with the SC7010 BVA, my regular 7010B, and my 7020B. I'll probably be hooking all those up in a future video. This will be tested separately in a future video. Oh my god, funny story. This is actually the same alarm that I showcased in my alarm submissions. Do you guys know you guys can send me videos of of some of your smoke alarms if you wanted to? And they'll be featured on my channel. So if you want to send me videos, go ahead and do that. You can send me through Gmail. You can send me through Instagram. I think you can send me Discord. Yeah, Discord too. I don't check Discord that often, so be warned. I checked Instagram the most, so you could send me it through Instagram. So, yeah. I'm not really on Discord very often, so that's warning if you want to send me it through Discord, so. But if you don't have any of those kind of things, you can just send me it on my Gmail account, photoelev@gmail.com. So, you guys can go ahead and do that. Also, this will probably be this. Have you ever tested your Mastercraft?
Yep.
Oh, you have? So it does work. Have you ever made a video on it, right?
Maybe in a collection update. I'm not sure.
Probably. That's what I imagine. And again, with these Dicons with the stupidly satisfying buttons. So, yeah. Nathan still... I don't even think the FG1000 is the rarest alarm in his collection after a while, because little do you guys know, he actually has a Pyrotronics FB1.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I can tell you that.
So, yeah, this is quite a long... This is quite a long video for just the little stuff, but all the alarms themselves are pretty rare. So, let me show you... his Guardian. Yeah, there's his Guardian FB1. No test button, but with squealer. So he had a squealer horn for quite some time. So yeah, anyways, and there's another battery to add on to my battery collection, which I have to clean up. So there we go. There is the Dicon or 300 based unit, which is actually the Mastercraft 4600A1-8, which is the same model as my Garrison I-9030. There's the 7010BA, the Wheelock remote strobe, the FG1000, and the Simplex T-bar, plus the G6 harness, which I already put away. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and I gotta end before I run out of storage. So, thanks again, Nathan, for this nice box. They're not even centered. Okay, yeah. Again, thank you, Nathan, for this box. Do you want to say bye?
Bye.
I also have a surprise for him.
Ooh, what?
Well, anyway, and there's 5 devices and a ferret. Also, a manual. Also, I just hit Abby with the manual.